Hi guys, today I am gonna show you that Apple is cooking up a release next month of iOS 8.2 to take place at a special event. This new build of Apple's mobile operating system will not only include fixes for the current version of iOS, but will also add support for the Apple Watch. According to those familiar with Apple's plans, the company has asked certain developers to submit Apple Watch compatible apps for immediate testing. Some of these apps might be introduced along with the Apple Watch in April. On Monday, Apple released its fifth beta version of iOS 8.2 to developers. The update includes support for Apple Watch Kit and is build number 12D5480A. The previous update was the fourth beta version of iOS 8.2, which also was earmarked to go straight to developers and included information about an Apple Watch app that would be used for pairing the timepiece with an iPhone. With speculation about a 12.9-inch Apple iPad Plus model continuing to grow, it is quite possible that the same event that